we have all these models which are out to display. The Indian Army also time and again keeps on telling the world what exactly it has. We have also seen, Shivani, over the past many decades, defense deals, very, very important defense deals have also been signed, especially between India and the United States of America.
Right, Aishwarya, there are a number of deals that have been signed, a number of procurements that are being awaited, a number of negotiations that still go on. So we have MQ-9 drones that have been procured from the United States. We have the Apache helicopters that have recently joined the Indian Army. The first 3 Apaches have joined the Indian Army. That are the latest attack helicopters, the flying tanks in the air that are deployed on the western border. The Indian Air Force already has 22 Apaches. We have the LCH that is indigenously made. We have a number of deals with Russia in terms of our ships and submarines. And we are also working on more fighter deals with a number of nations where the Ministry of Defense has been working on this. And importantly, we are also working on our 5th generation AMCA that is going to be indigenous. So a lot of deals happening, and indigenization is very important because Indian Army is focusing on the indigenous drone systems. A lot of procurement is happening. The drones, especially to mention, Aishwarya, a lot of drones have been included in the Indian Army, inducted in the Indian Army, including the FPVs, the surveillance drones, the logistic drones. And here, when we are in Ladakh, the terrain is treacherous. It varies from a height of 10,000 to 18,000 feet. So in extreme weather conditions, this technology helps the Indian Armed Forces not only to keep a watch on the adversary, but also to have an offensive posturing in case of any misadventure that is being done across the borderline. And here we are also waiting for some more important deals with a number of nations, Aishwarya, be it France, be it United States, be it Russia, a number of other nations. So very soon, a number of new weapon systems will be in the arsenal of our armed forces. And apart from that, a number of exercises, and most importantly, the multilateral exercises where the Indian armed forces are showing their skill, showing their prowess, showing their capabilities, the combat capabilities with the best armies of the world. We are learning the best practices of the best armies of the world. We are bringing them in India. We are showing them our capabilities. So that's the kind of defense diplomacy that is going on, and also enhancing our skills, our training, our tactics, and new kind of war practices that are also being adapted. So it is an amalgamation of everything. The machines, the man behind machines, the technology, and also we are getting ready for information warfare and the future warfare, which we are seeing and learning from the world conflicts, be it the Russia-Ukraine war, the Israel-Iran war, or many other conflicts where the non-contact warfare has been the focus. And we've seen the recent example in Operation Sindoor, where we did not come face to face, but we defeated the enemy with ballistic missiles, with munitions, and we saved ourselves and countered the missile systems using the best air defense systems.
Right, Shivani.